exciting Parents' Day. Today is the Parents' Day at the nursery school. The little children have been looking forward to this. Let's all show your mothers and fathers how well you can play, says Hilda, the hamster teacher. Okay, says the children happily. It's almost time for the parents to arrive, and one after another the children climb the ladder to the little window in the lookout tower. Are they here yet? They look out the window. Ambro's mum is here. There's Jilly's mum. All the families start to arrive. I'm excited, says Creme, the chocolate rabbit baby. She is a little nervous. Don't worry, you'll be fine, says the teacher. Calmly, she settles her down. And now it's time for Parents' Day to begin. Hilda plays the piano as the little children sing and perform skits. But when they look around, Creme is nowhere to be seen. The mothers and fathers stretch their necks. The other children are about to start singing when suddenly Creme appears by the window. She runs onto the stage and begins to sing. She has come down the slide from the top deck of the bus and right through the window. The mothers are delighted by her entrance and they clap their hands. The charming voices of the little children fill the nursery and Parents' Day is a great success. The end.